Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to merge PDF files into one. This is going to be very easy. What you need to do is to just go to the files which you want to combine. So in my case I have 3 PDF and I want to combine all of this. So what I can do, just go to the browser, whatever browser you are using, you can just use that. So open your browser and search combine PDF and you will find the first website where you have to click on, and make sure the website should be named as combinepdf.com. so once you sure about that, just click on the website and then you have to upload your PDF right here. So to upload, just click on the upload files button and here you will have to give the location of your files. So in my case I have saved my files in this folder. So to select all the files, you just have to hold the left click and just select like this and then hit on open, and this is how you can upload your files on this combine PDF website. And in case if you are worrying about the order of your PDF, you can do that as well. I want to put PDF1 on number 1, so I will just have to hold left click and just move the PDF1 like this, then PDF2 on second and PDF3 on third. So this is how you can manage the order. And once you're done with that, just hit on combine. As soon as you click on combine, the download will start, and as you can see the download is now finally done. To access the file, you just have to go to your PC or this PC or file explorer you can say. So just go there and wherever you downloaded the file, you can just go there and access the file. So this is the file I have downloaded. Now let me open it, and there you go. We have successfully now converted our 3 PDF, or you can use multiple PDF. If you have 19 PDFs, 15 PDFs, you can just combine all together. So this is how you can combine your PDF into one, and I hope I was a big help. Please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.